Beginner's Guide to Whole Body Stretching with Yoga. Welcome to our journey into whole body stretching through yoga, perfect for beginners looking to embrace flexibility and mindfulness. Today, we'll gently introduce poses that stretch every part of the body, ensuring a harmonious balance between mind and body. Let's start with the mountain pose, grounding ourselves, feeling the earth beneath our feet, setting the foundation for our practice. Next, we flow into a forward bend, releasing tension in the back and neck, diving deeper into relaxation with each breath. Transitioning smoothly, we explore the warrior pose, stretching our legs, hips, and chest, embodying strength and grace in unity. As we move to the downward dog, notice the stretch along your spine and legs, encouraging optimal circulation throughout the body. To conclude, let's embrace the child's pose, surrendering to the moment, allowing our practice to integrate deeply within, feeling rejuvenated and peaceful.